Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to identify a plant with your iPhone and set a care reminder. So you can go ahead and identify an unknown plant with your iPhone and immediately add it to your personalized watering and care routine. And that is, of course, by using Arrosa. So as you can see here, here's a sample unknown houseplant that we will soon get to identify. But first up, if you don't know how to download the Arrosa app, you can go ahead and scan this QR code on the right-hand side of your screen. Or you can just easily go to the App Store, tap on App Store, use the search function at the bottom, tap on the search bar at the very top, and just type down Arrosa, Arrosa Plant Water Tracker. Just tap on it, and then just tap on Get right here. And once that's installed, tap on Open. And here we have the app. So once you're in here, by the way, to add in the plant, go ahead and tap on Add a Plant. Tap on the plus sign. Now identify with a photo right here. So we need to identify with a photo because we don't know the name of the specific plant, right? So tap on Identify with a photo, and then go ahead and find your plant. So for example, this photo. Tap on Use Photo, and then just wait for it to load. Okay. So this plant right here is just for example. I just picked it up outside. Okay, just for you to see how to add or identify an unidentifiable plant. All right. So it says here, this is an unknown plant and not in the Arrosa library yet. So what do we do next? As you can see here, you can go ahead and add it in as a custom plant. And sometimes Arrosa right here identifies the plant, but there's different variants. So you'll have an option right here or a drop down that says maybe it's this plant, or maybe it's this name of the plant. All right, I hope that's clear. If it says unknown plant, well, go ahead and just try to capture another photo if you want to. If not, you could just go ahead and add it in as a custom plant. All right. So here we have the unknown plant. So give me a moment. I'm going to go outside and capture another plant. And for this example, I'm just going to go ahead and capture a bamboo, a simple bamboo. All right. So it says here, it is not in the Arrosa library yet, but it identifies as a bamboo. Okay, as it says here, you can still add it as a custom plant to just this reminder at any time. So go ahead and tap on Add as a custom plant, and sometimes it will tell you which type of bamboo is it. Is it a lucky bamboo, a regular bamboo, or whatever kind of bamboo? So when you go ahead and tap on it, it says here, water about every 7 days. So you can go ahead and follow that instruction. Also, before watering, check the soil if it's still damp. If it's still damp, well, don't water it. So if it's dry, well, water it now and you'll be reminded after 7 days to water it. Let's say it was dry earlier. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and tap on Water Now. Now you have a animation right here for watering. And now our bamboo is happy. I might go ahead and go to our journal. We'll be able to see that we've watered 4 plants right here. So I'm going to show you right here. I've watered these 4, okay, 1 on 11th and 3 on 14th, all right? I'm going to go ahead and tap on Care Plan. Today, my aloe vera needs watering. In 6 days, my asparagus fern needs watering. And in 7 days, my bamboo needs watering, my rubber plant, snake plant, so on and so forth. I'm going to go ahead and scroll all the way down. You have your logs in here as well. All right, so my bamboo, I just watered it today, asparagus fern, and some other options. So let's go ahead and go back. I'd just like for you to know that the photo identification requires an internet connection. So if you have questions, plant care suggestions, or ideas for future Arrosa features, you can also join the Arrosa's community on Discord. And the invitation link is in the description below. And by the way, when you download the Arrosa app, you can add up to 5 plants for free. Now, if you want to add in some more, you can go ahead and tap on the crown button right here. And then You can subscribe monthly or annually. And here are the perks: unlimited plans and photos, adaptive reminders, a garden that feels like yours, and exclusive widgets. And by the way, I forgot to show you. There's this widget. And when you subscribe to Premium, there are a lot of bigger widgets that are available as well, right? If you want to know how to add a widget on your home screen, go ahead and check our channel out. We have a separate video for that. But that's it for now. That is how you identify a plant with your iPhone and set care reminders. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.